As you can see, this is the formula that we need to solve. P will be the principal amount. It's right here. Will be 10,000, and R will be the annual nominal interest rate. That will be here. It will be just 8%. It's actually right here. N will be the number of times the interest is compounded per year. Is 12. It's right here. And T will be the number of years. So we need to do that at the end. So I set up these variables, and I set up these variables too. So these variables are in the first one, A, is 1 plus R over N, will be right here. Then B will be A times N and T, so that'll be right here. And C will be P times P, so it will be the principal times all of this. So, and then after I have to print all of this, so let's see. Let's run it. And here is asking me for the number of years. So it will be 12 months, and the years will be only 1 year. So let's see. So this will be the answer. And thank you so much.